friend of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Firstly, open settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose additional settings, keyboard and input method, Gboard, and finally theme. Over here you can click on show more to see all available ones, and when you're ready, click on the best one for you. I will go with that one, for example. Tap on the switcher next to keyboards to switch them off or on, and tap on apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings. Also, sorry, misclick. And this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select a photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then click on done. And now enable all disable keyboarders by tapping on the switcher here. Lastly, choose apply and click home button. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!